Motorcraft is Ford's own oil brand. The oil Ford put in your F-150 at the factory, and the oil their engineers formulated specifically for Ford engines. And most F-150 owners are paying $30 for Mobil 1 at Walmart, while walking right past the Motorcraft for $24, without knowing it's actually a better match for what's under their hood. If you drive a Ford truck, and you've been buying oil based on brand reputation rather than engine compatibility, I'm going to show you what changes when you run the oil the manufacturer actually engineered for your engine. I'm putting Motorcraft Full Synthetic up against Mobil 1 in 4 categories specific to Ford truck applications and giving you a clear answer on which one to buy. Let me start with what Motorcraft actually is. Motorcraft is Ford's OEM lubricant brand, produced for Ford by ExxonMobil, the same company that makes Mobil 1. What that means in practice is that Motorcraft Full Synthetic is formulated and supplied by one of the most capable oil companies in the world, but specifically calibrated to the viscosity, additive profile, and performance characteristics that Ford's engine engineers validated for their specific applications. Motorcraft Full Synthetic 5W30 runs about $22 to $25 for a 5-quart jug at Walmart, and about the same at AutoZone. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 runs $29 to $31 for the same volume. We're talking $6 to $8 more per change for Mobil 1. At 3 changes per year, that's $18 to $24 annually. Round 1 is wear protection and engine compatibility. Both Motorcraft and Mobil 1 carry the API SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance. Both have been tested against the full suite of standardized engine sequence tests. The distinction here is application specificity. Ford's Motorcraft formulation is developed against Ford's own internal engine specifications. It's been validated in the actual Ford test fleet with the specific engines your truck is running. The 5.0 Coyote V8, the 3.5 EcoBoost, and the 2.7 EcoBoost all have Ford-specific performance parameters that the Motorcraft oil was calibrated around. Mobil 1 is a general full synthetic formulated for the broader market. Both protect your engine well, but the Motorcraft oil was engineered with your specific engine in mind. Motorcraft takes round 1 on application compatibility. Score: Motorcraft 1, Mobil 1 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Motorcraft Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 440 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility around 8 to 10%. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC in the 8 to 9% range. The two oils are very closely matched in heat resistance characteristics. Mobil 1 has a slight edge on NOAC volatility numbers in standardized testing. Marginally less oil burns off at high temperature. For a 3.5 EcoBoost F-150 towing heavily in summer heat, Mobil 1's lower volatility is a marginal advantage. For the 5.0 V8 in normal highway driving, the gap is essentially insignificant. Mobil 1 takes round 2 narrowly. Score: Motorcraft 1, Mobil 1 1. Now here's where it gets interesting, because Motorcraft makes a compelling case in the next 2 rounds. Round 3 is cold weather performance and EcoBoost protection. For F-150 owners in northern states, cold starts are a real consideration. Both Motorcraft and Mobil 1 in 5W30 have comparable cold flow performance, pour points around -40 to -42 degrees Celsius. In real-world cold starts across American winter temperatures, Both oils protect the engine adequately in the first critical seconds after startup. The specific advantage Motorcraft has in this round is for EcoBoost owners. Motorcraft Full Synthetic is the only oil that Ford has specifically tested and validated in their EcoBoost engines against Ford's own internal performance benchmarks, including their LSPI and turbocharger deposit testing. Pennzoil Platinum has published LSPI testing data that is strong. Motorcraft's validation data is tied directly to the Ford engine platform. For EcoBoost F-150 owners who want to know their oil has been specifically approved by the company that built their engine, Motorcraft is that oil. Motorcraft takes round 3. Score: Motorcraft 2, Mobil 1, 1. Round 4 is oil life and value. Motorcraft Full Synthetic is rated for up to 10,000 miles. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is rated for up to 10,000 miles. The interval is equal. At $6 to $8 less per change, Motorcraft provides the same certified interval protection at a lower price. Over 3 changes per year, that's $18 to $24 saved annually while running the oil, specifically validated by Ford for your engine. Motorcraft takes round 4. Final score: Motorcraft 3, Mobil 1, 1. Here's my verdict. For any F-150 owner, EcoBoost or 5.0 V8, Motorcraft Full Synthetic is my pick. It's the oil Ford engineered for your engine. It meets all the same certification standards as Mobil 1, and it costs $6 to $8 less per change. Go to Walmart or AutoZone, grab the Motorcraft Full Synthetic in your engine's specified viscosity, 5W30 for the 5.0 Coyote in most model years, and many EcoBoost applications, but always check your oil cap for about $24. Pair it with a Motorcraft FL500S filter for the 5.0 V8 or the FL910S for EcoBoost applications, both about $8 to $9 at AutoZone. For F-150 owners who have been running Mobil 1 for years and their engine is healthy, there's no urgency to switch. Mobil 1 is protecting your engine, but at your next oil change, price out the Motorcraft and consider making the switch. Same protection, less money, specifically validated for your truck. I've dropped links to both Motorcraft and Mobil 1 in the description below, with the right viscosities and filter part numbers for the most common F-150 engine applications. Next time I'm tackling the thicker oil for old engines question that I get asked at least once a week, and the answer involves something most guys don't know about modern high-mileage oil chemistry. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.